Hello and welcome to our fourth video in this series. This video is going to be talking about how to enter cushion depth readings for dirt and synthetic surfaces and penetration depth readings for turf surfaces. So again, we're going to start off on our site list. After we log in, we'll go to our dashboard. And again, we're going to make our way to the left-hand side on the menu bar underneath of maintenance, and we'll see cushion here. Cushion is where we're going to enter cushion depth readings for dirt and synthetic, as well as penetration depth readings for turf surfaces. We're entering them all in the exact same place. So we'll click on cushion, and it takes us to this cushion maintenance page. To add an entry for a new day, we'll go over here and press add. Then we'll choose our track. So all of your surfaces should show up in here because we're able to enter cushion or penetration depth for the dirt surfaces, turf surfaces, and synthetic. So we'll start with our main track. Choose the date that these measurements were taken on your racetrack and the time that the measurements were taken on your racetrack. Comments, leave a comment here if there's anything overarching for the day, if it rained all day, if you canceled training, etc. I'm going to write test since this is a test file. And then we press save. After we press save, this table will pop up below, and this is where we're going to actually enter the data at. So this location list, like I mentioned in the moisture content video, this list is completely customizable. So if you're taking more than the HISA required measurements at more locations, we can enter those locations into this list for you so you can record more if you'd like. Otherwise, these are the required locations for a 1 mile racetrack via HISA. So we'll start with our wire 5 foot, and we can then go over to the next column, cushion or penetration depth, and type in what your penetration or cushion depth was at that location. Press save to save that line, then press add to add a new line. And this is where we'll go down the list and type in the rest of our readings. Okay, now that I have all of my readings entered, I'm going to make sure I save again to make sure this whole table is saved, and then we can hit back to check that those data points have been entered correctly. So I'll choose my main track, and this is how we search for past records. And press search, and here is the entry that we just entered. So this whole process is going to be the exact same from start to end, no matter if you're on a dirt track, turf track, or synthetic racetrack. You'll just choose the different track in this portion here. And that is how you enter cushion depth or penetration depth.